Well, I'm Barbara Fairchild, and I'm just so delighted to be here to get to talk about Immunocal. I live in Branson, Missouri, and I did not know that such a product ever existed. And it really has been an answer to prayer for me, and especially for my mother, because my mom suffers from Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. And 2 years ago, she was just really at the point of death. And if anyone out there knows anything about Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, they know how devastating it is. And I had just prayed and asked God to please help my mother. And then we were in Denver, Colorado, visiting friends, and they began to talk to us about the importance of raising glutathione levels in your body. And I didn't even know what glutathione was. Didn't know we needed it. And when she began to share with me the results that some other folks had gotten, and one of those was Alzheimer's, a lady with Alzheimer's, I said, well, at this point, I'm ready to try anything for Mother. Mother, we had to give it to her through tube feeding. She was totally kept alive that way. And it has made such a difference in her raising those glutathione levels in her body. And of course, the more I learn about how important that is for our health and our immune system, and the more I read, I begin to understand the importance of it. And we have seen such a dramatic change in my mother. And she eats now, she talks to us, recognizes us, and she looks great. And it's just been a miracle for us. And then, of course, we have grandchildren, and so we all take it. The grandkids take it. The kids all take it. If I had a dog, it would take it. But and it's just been absolutely fabulous. I can't say enough about it, but I'll probably just shut up right here because you'll run out of tape if I keep talking about how I feel.